Hello, my name is McCallum, and I plan to study computer methods in aerospace engineering as a future Lafayette Fellow. My experience with France goes back to high school, where during the pandemic, I studied French by chatting with French teenagers online, and afterwards decided that I wanted to go study at a French intensive language course at the end of my freshman year. It was here where my host family, which consisted of two French computer engineers, explained to me how the French engineering system works, the Grande École, and how I could apply. And at the end of my studies, I decided that I wanted to spend a semester there before finishing my bachelor's degree. So once I got back, I got my Dalstation and figured out how I could do this, even though it was a bit tricky considering that my university doesn't have any prior connection with a French engineering school. What I ended up doing is I found the physics department head at Centrale Supélec, and after he interviewed me in French for about an hour, he decided to take me on as a visiting student. While Centrale was really tough at first, I found myself doing better once I understood the differences between the American and French engineering cultures. Where, while in the US, engineers tend to emphasize experiment and pragmatism in everything they do, French engineers prioritize math and theory and use that to inform all their decisions. While I was working with my best friend there, I even realized that his hardest course was the one that was the easiest for me, and vice versa. So working with him, it made the semester a breeze, really. At the end, I even had the confidence to apply as myself as the lead for our machine learning and cosmology project. And the result was astonishing to me. Compared to the other teams, we seemed to get things done faster. We all understood the concepts a lot easier. And in my view, that's just an example of how strong we can be when these two cultures come together. That's why, as I have come back to the US and now do my research in computational fluid dynamics, I find myself longing for this connection again. And it's for this reason that I want to study in France and become a future leader between these two great engineering cultures. Thank you.